Digitalization is in every aspect of our lives. Information is the most important asset. Data-driven technologies are making our lives easier, faster, and more comfortable. If you have hard time in manufacturing because of the machines that suddenly break down, setup times that take too long, products that become scrapped too often, you may need to transform to smart manufacturing. To improve your productivity, it is enough to identify the areas of waste and see which situations on the plant floor are causing losses in real time so that you can take preventive actions. That's where ProManage Augmented Reality comes in. ProManage AR is an Industry 4.0 application where the ProManage Smart Manufacturing Operations Management System monitoring and analysis tools are designed with augmented reality technology and used in combination with AR glasses. ProManage AR enables fast and accurate machine status analysis during Gemba walks on the plant floor, identifies where production equipment is generating waste based on OEE, utilization, performance, quality, downtime, scrap, energy, work, and operator data. ProManage AR draws attention to the improvements needed in maintenance operations with total duration and reasons of downtime. ProManage AR adds value not only to your manufacturing, maintenance, and quality processes, but also to your technical team as well. To see beyond your equipment and add new values to your business, ProManage Augmented Reality.